So in this video, I'm going to discuss about hypokalemic and hyperkalemic or potassium sparing diuretic agents. First, we need to understand the role of aldosterone in distal tubule. Aldosterone is a mineralocorticoid, and mineralocorticoid causes salt and water retention and increases potassium and H+ excretion by binding to the specific mineralocorticoid receptors. Epithelial cells in the late distal tubule and collecting duct contain cytosolic mineralocorticoid receptors with high aldosterone affinity. When aldosterone binds to the mineralocorticoid receptors, this mineralocorticoid receptor and aldosterone complex translocate to the nucleus, and it regulates the expression of multiple gene products in the nucleus, and these products are known as the aldosterone-induced protein or AIPs. AIPs affect the production, destruction, localization, and activation of multiple components of the system that mediates the sodium reabsorption in the late distal tubule and collecting ducts. Potassium-sparing diuretic, which is spironolactone, which is an aldosterone receptor antagonist, it inhibits the binding of aldosterone to its mineralocorticoid receptor, so that AIP process will be inhibited and sodium absorption as well as potassium excretion will be prevented, causing its natriuresis as well as hyperkalemic action. But spironolactone is not a potent diuretic because its sodium reabsorption in distal tubule is only 2 to 3% of the filtered sodium. However, in cases of loop and thiazide diuretics, their sites of actions are proximal to the distal and collecting tube. For example, thiazide diuretic in the distal convoluted tubule and loop diuretic in the thick ascending limb of loop of Henle. This natriuresis or increased sodium load in the urine-forming fluid caused by loop and thiazide diuretics causes increased reabsorption of sodium in this distal and collecting tube, which in turn causes increased secretion of potassium. This secreted potassium is excreted along with the increased urinary flow rate, causing hypokalemia. So this is the reason that loop and thiazide diuretic causes hypokalemia, while spironolactone does not cause